Hey everybody, I want to go over the earnings trades performances from the last couple of weeks and keep you guys all caught up. I'm going to have my notes off to the side here. There's going to be no on-screen visuals except for a couple of pop-ups that I'm going to have for you. I have Amazon pulled up because I want to go over a couple Amazon trades later on in the week, and this is my self-reminder. I'm also going to cover Robinhood and DocuSign as I've been trading those three tickers a lot over the last, call it 6 to 8 weeks or so. That's going to be an entirely different strategy. It has nothing to do with earnings, and it's just how I make a little bit of extra income with positions I currently hold. When going over earnings performances and the results, I never reveal to anybody on a per ticker basis or as a per score basis. So you're not going to know how ones performed, how twos performed, threes, fours, and so on perform. But if you request it, I can tell you how each ticker performed individually, but I will not make a video on every single one. Or what I usually do is at the start or end of each week, I will reveal how all trades or safe trades performed. Remember, all trades are anything rated 1 through 9. Remember, there are no such things as 10s because that is a guaranteed win and we do not guarantee anything. So all trades is 1 through 9. Safe trades is anything 4 through 9. So 4 through 9 becomes highly probable to win. Again, highly probable when trading doesn't necessarily mean it's even over 50%, but we usually estimate it to be around 40%. So for all trades, ratings 1 through 9, if you combine them and you got their net score or their net results, you were at plus 7 points. With our scoring system, 1 point is anywhere from 0% to plus 25% or plus a quarter of a percent, but we call it 25% as in 25% return of risk. So on $1,000 per trade, that would be $250 at most for 1 point. So 7 times 25 is going to give you 175%, and we round down, so it's anywhere from 150% to 175% return of risk for taking every single trade. When you factor in commissions, it's probably going to be a little bit less, which is why we round down to 150 up to 175. For safe trades, anything 4 through 9 throughout the last 2 weeks would have performed at plus 30 points. Plus 30 points on a percent system is going to be 725% to 750%, or 7.25x return of risk or 7.5x return of risk. Both of them are in the green. We haven't had a whole lot of trades over the last 2 weeks, especially with earnings season starting to slow down here, and you're going to see that again next week and the week after that. We were still able to pull off 2 back-to-back green weeks, so that's always a good sign. With earnings trades, I usually like to aim a little bit higher than that, but being in the green is always better than nothing. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Like I preluded earlier, we're going to go over Robinhood, Amazon, and DocuSign, and then throughout the week, I'll be showing a couple individual stock performances, and I will also be keeping you up to date with the new earnings trades throughout this week. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.